be basic. I'm just glad I didn't take it. Look at me now, look at me now. You say that I am jealous. Of what though? Of what though? Nigga, you ain't shit though. You say that I am jealous. For what though? For what though? Nigga, you ain't shit though. Boy, don't tell me. Look both ways before you try to cross me. It's a lot of things that don't fit me, and two of those things is you and jealousy. Boy, fix it please, that ego ain't what I need. Some chicks dig it, some chicks fiendin', but I know sure as hell they ain't me. I'll give you like 4 or 3 feet, 5 or 10 more just to let you be. Don't flash that stash if you tryna hype me. That's little shit, boy, try to ice me. You ain't shit, boy, now that I see all that boasting, how you got it. You just joking with your crowd, you just out here chasing clout. And how dumbfounded am I to even come give you a try? You talking that shit, so you moving the brick. My nigga, you don't even drive. Listen to all of your lies. You tryna better your life. Your actions don't match, and you ain't a catch. My nigga, it's time that I slide. So I'm on to the next new nigga, and he ain't got a flex. He walk like he talking, he know that he riding, and he moving silence every time he get a check. Nigga take notes, he ain't worried about hoes. He know he got me secure, that's the show. You want me to rise from me off to his roads. Now tell me the reason that I'm jealous. You say that I am jealous. Of what though? Of what though? Nigga, you ain't shit though. You say that I am jealous. For what though? For what though? Nigga, you ain't shit though. I like chilling by myself. I don't need nobody else to make me feel good. I like chilling by myself. I don't need nobody else to make me feel good. Late nights are the worst, that's how you expect it. I just read my words, and that's how I let in knowledge on top of knowledge. Might do some college and end up hostage, cause I'm not living out my dreams, and things ain't what it seems to be, no. I'm out here working on me, yeah. I'm out here staying on beat. I'll create a path that's made just for my feet, oh. Showcase my talents, might end up living lavish. You can catch me in my palace, turning up my savage. Song after song, I do no wrong. I write my own. See, I like chilling by myself. I don't need nobody else to make me feel good. I like chilling by myself. I don't need nobody else to make me feel good. Me, myself, and I is on a high. My limit is the sky. My soul is amplified. Me, myself, and I, a Gemini. Yes, I can modify. Don't look so terrified. No, me, myself, and I is all I got. And damn right, I owe her I'm in Marvin's room, staying up till 2, spreading that mixture hits way too soon. Now I'm thinking about my goals and how they look at me like I'm the golden child. Apply pressure, ain't folding. No, 2020 ain't letting up. No, say less, do more. I'm blessed for sure. Still wanna take more. I like chilling by myself. I don't need nobody else to make me feel good. I don't need nobody else. I don't need nobody. I don't need nobody. I don't need nobody else. Was that the end? Diss me, oh I think they miss me. Kiss me, now they wanna kiss me. Who that be? Yeah that be. Y'all ain't heard of 𝐲𝐻𝐻. I'm only gonna say this once, it's my winning season. Believe it, you ain't gon' believe it. How I keep achieving, wife was credit with no weaving. Evolving, I feel I'm evolving. I know I'm complex, nigga, don't try come and solve me. Deep conditioning, with my oars in. I keep it low-key, please don't let the whores in. No offense, I'd rather chill with my friends. Turn up with my friends, leave them fucking randoms at the door, cause I don't fuck with them. You know bitch is sneaky, I'll be damn if someone leak me. Heavy, my pen is getting heavy. Who you know that go this hard, that riding a green Chevy. Overlook me, now they wanna book me. Coincidentally, I'm charging a big fee, cause I know my worth, I know my last nigga hurt. And if he try to come back, I'll hit up his best friend first. Yeah, I'll hit up his best friend first. He'll tell me how you so dumb. Then kick his ass to the curb. Ambition, niggas lack ambition. Don't depend on no one to fill in of what you missing. Naive, don't be so naive. You peep that they don't fuck with you, just let them bitches leave. A message, these are all a message. Everything I spit, I write, that's automatic leverage. Envy, oh I know they envy. How come, it's my winning season. I'm winning for no reason. Yeah, no reason.